Hey Bulldogs, it is Mr. Rivera, and at Mount Vernon High School, we are celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month! Yeah! And you know what? Hispanic Heritage Month is September 15th to October 15th. It was signed by law by President Lyndon B. Johnson in 1968 as only a week, and now it's celebrated as a month, and it was signed in 1983 by President Ronald Reagan. And we are so excited to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month district-wide here at Mount Vernon High School. And we are very lucky today because we are celebrating one of the first Latina teachers who graduated from Mount Vernon High School, a Bulldog, amazing teacher. I'm really excited to introduce an outstanding teacher. Let's hear it for Miss Padilla. Miss Padilla, tell me what year you graduated and when did you graduate being a Bulldog here at Mount Vernon High School?
I graduated from 2019.
And class of 2019. And so can you tell me who are some of your favorite teachers that you get to work with?
My AVID teacher that I had, Mr. Swanson, for 4 years. Love him. Now he's my co-worker. And I also had Miss Hag. She's another one, amazing teacher that I had, along with Mr. Hazelwood. And then when it came to sports, Coach Kraft. Love y'all.
So what I'm really excited about is that you, as a former Bulldog, are now a teacher and a Latina leader in our class. So tell me, what are you teaching here at Mount Vernon High School?
Right now, I teach physical education and health. So with that, I teach walking classes. And last year, I taught yoga. But this year, it's just walking, PE, and then we have basketball and soccer. Along with? LIA. I got 2 sections this year.
So we are really excited because we have our first Latina LIA teacher that's here. So can you tell me you're excited about celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, right?
Oh yeah, gotta represent my culture as well, my Mexican and my Peruvian side. My flag's right here.
And how's it feel to be a Latina teacher and working with these students? Why did you want to become a teacher?
I'm just glad to just be another number. Since I was in school, there wasn't a lot of people that looked like me, teaching-wise. Especially when it came to the PE field, there wasn't a lot of... I've never had a Latina PE teacher, and I just wanted to be another number that people can look back and have students just know that they can do it too. And when it came to teaching, I just love being social, talking to other people, and just being able to be there for someone.
So Ms. Padilla shared me some pictures of her in high school. So tell me, what sports did you play in high school? I know you didn't just play one sport. How many sports?
Well, I did, let's start with soccer. Then I had basketball, cross country, track and field, and wrestling.
That's 5 sports. Yeah. How'd you do all 5 sports?
Had to do some like freshman, sophomore year, and then another one junior, senior year. I wish I could have done all of them, but you know, seasons, they don't let you.
Now, I heard you were an AVID student, and you got some scholarships. And why don't you tell me about the scholarships, about AVID, and why AVID is important?
I was in AVID since I was in middle school. I was a Falcon in LaVenture since we started the dual language program there. And I have been in AVID. Then I moved here with Mr. Swanson. And it really prepared me in going to different colleges. I got to go to Eastern and Central along with Western and UW, which I learned a lot. My plan was to originally go to Eastern, but then I went to Western with family stuff. But I got to learn how to take Cornell notes, which we clearly love, but later on you'll see when you go to college, it varies with different classes. That's where I met some of my best friends I still talk to now, and yeah, a lot of memories there.
So I'm really excited to have Ms. Padilla join our staff, and you could find Ms. Padilla in what room are you in?
I am in admin building, room 113, right?
Room 113, and you know, Mr. Rivera's there too. So I'm really excited. So if you want and dream of being a teacher, you could do it. Before we bring on our wonderful folkloric group, tell me one word or a couple words of inspiration you want to tell our Bulldog family, especially our young Latinas there that want to be a teacher and want to be successful.
Y'all can do it. I know it gets scary. I'm a young teacher, and sometimes my head gets to me, but just keep going, keep pushing through, perseverance, determination. Just keep going.
Sí se puede.
Yeah, sí se puede.
Si se puede means yes, you can. You could do it, Bulldogs. And so let's hear it for Miss Padilla. Thank you so much for the wonderful interview. We are here with Ashley Zuniga from Latinos in Action and MV Mariachi, and she's going to talk to you about tomorrow's event.
Yeah, so tomorrow during our 2 lunches, we're going to be celebrating our Hispanic Heritage Month. We're going to have piñatas, candy, food, and drinks. And we're going to have our MV Mariachi and a Folklorico. And here's a little preview of tomorrow's event.
Ojos de papel volando, negrita de mis pesares. Ojos de papel volando, a todos diles que sí. Pero no les digas cuando así me dijiste a mí. Por eso vivo penando. Cuando me traes a mi negra, que la quiero ver aquí, con su rebozo de seda que le traje de Tepic. Cuando me traes a mi negra, que la quiero ver aquí, con su rebozo de seda que le traje de Tepic.